Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our car game. So all I want you to do is ask yourself a question. What does every game include? It includes objects, yeah? It's logical. Like cars, forests, houses. So you can download them from my GitHub, renat.karimli. I have it already downloaded, so I'm just gonna drag and drop it from downloads. So as you see, it appeared in my asset folder. So as you see, I have here cars, roads, houses, rocks, trees, plants. So ask yourself a question. So we're gonna be the guy who is riding the car. So we're gonna be the car. So ask yourself a question. What does these cars look like? I say they look like capsules. So if you wanna add a capsule to your scene, you're going to go to hierarchy. Right click and go to 2D object, from 2D object folder to sprites, from sprites folder to choose what we want. We can choose triangle, square, we're going to choose capsule. So as you see, there's a capsule in our scene. You can move it all around, you can change its shape. So how do we basically make it look like it's our car? So all we're gonna do is just drag and drop our car to here. We can also change it from here. For example, we can choose this car, or maybe road. Doesn't matter. Just takes a coverage. Okay, I wanna take the car through here. We can also change its color. As you see, if we just circle around here, nothing will happen. But if we move this dot to this place, it's the brightest place. The top right. We can change its color. I want it to be like dark blue. Yeah, this looks like my way. Yeah, we can also put it like a road. If we put a road, it'll be like a blue road. Yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, you can even put blue rocks. But I'm gonna just stick with my car. Then, if you want to know when your car crashes, so that there will be something printed in console, you have to add component and click from here box collider 2D. So basically what it does is when something touches these green lines, gives a message to Unity. So when we start writing our script, we will write like this code that when our box, like when our car is touching something, it's gonna print out something, for example, oh, I crashed in console. So okay, this was all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.